Hey guys, so this is where the cycle stand is gonna go, and these are our two cycles. And this is what we have picked up on Amazon. We're gonna try and put that on the wall over there. Okay, now as you've seen, Monu and I, we've been able to mount the cycle onto the wall. This is something that I just picked up on Amazon for $300, and I anyways have a drill at home, so it's pretty much do it yourself to do this. And I'm telling you, Adrit, how long did we take to do this?
5 or 2 minutes.
Is it 5 or 2 minutes?
2 minutes.
No, I think we took about 10 minutes maybe to drill and all that and put it up.
Yes.
Okay, but
They did a good job.
thank you for the help, okay? Appreciate it. Bye guys.